Many people are getting new RVs just now, and knowing what to spend additional dollars on for new upgrades or gear is important. In this episode, we'll look at the top 8 things I would upgrade on a new RV if I were to purchase one right now. Hey everybody, this is John Marucci. I made the jump to traveling with my R-Pod back in 2016 and have never looked back. I've had my share of problems along the way, and this channel attempts to be what I wish I had when I started out. So let's go ahead and jump in. Number 1 would be a power tongue jack. Given I've used a weight distribution hitch on all my trailers and would on a new one, a power tongue jack would likely be my first purchase, if the trailer didn't already have one from the dealer. With a weight distribution hitch like the Blue Ox I've had on my R-Pod 179 and Keystone Bullet 243 BHS, it requires lifting and lowering the front tongue to hook or unhook the hitch. A power tongue jack helps greatly with this task. I plan to do a separate review on the Husky power tongue jack I've used on my R-Pod 179 at a later point, but this specific tongue jack has been stellar to use for closing in on 4 seasons. Number 2, bug screens. There are several openings in the RV that can allow insects and critters to enter the RV and potentially nest. The bug screens I've used cover the water heater and furnace outlets as well as the refrigerator vents. I've had these screens on my R-Pod 179 for several years and haven't had any issues with anything entering these areas. They're easy to install, are well made, and can stand the elements and don't easily fall off. Number 3, the MaxxAir FANMATE cover. Like the bug screens, the MaxxAir vent cover with screens acts as a bug screen for your exhaust fan, given it's a MaxxAir fan. This is especially important so that you can run your exhaust fan in the rain or in buggy environments. I did wait a while to install this on my R-Pod 179, but would certainly not wait doing this on a new trailer. I think the benefits of this are excellent. Number 4, a gel foam mattress topper or a new mattress. You may already know that many factory RV mattresses are not the best quality. Being able to sleep comfortably is essential to enjoying your travels in an RV. Given I couldn't sleep well on the factory mattress, upgrading the mattress with a gel foam topper or an entire mattress replacement is one of the very first things I would do in a new RV. Obviously, this depends if you bought a trailer that has a decent mattress to begin with. If not, this is an early task to complete. I went with a less expensive gel foam topper option in my R-Pod and have had more than 200 nights on it without any issue. Number 5, upgraded seating foam. This is likely one of my favorite upgrades. With better and firmer foam, there is a night and day difference as to the enjoyability of your dinette or seating area in your trailer. If you tend to work remotely or sit a lot at the dinette, this is a great idea. Even if you're only sitting inside for shorter periods, you'll greatly appreciate better foam. The Luxe foam I've installed from the foam factory in Michigan has been well worth the money spent. You can see how this changed the usability of one of my ottoman cushions in my R-Pod 179 from these comparison pictures. Overall, the upgraded foam will give you better support when working or relaxing and will likely instill more contentment with your trailer. Number 6, COMMANDT designer hooks. There are usually not enough places to hang things in most RVs. I've used COMMANDT designer hooks in my trailers to have places to hang clothing, jackets, towels, etc. You can get these in different weight ratings to accommodate various loads. They'll add functionality to your trailer and can free up other storage. Number 7, LED puck lights. Much like hooks, there are usually very few lights in RV storage cabinets and other storage areas. I've used LED puck lights extensively in my RVs as they assist greatly in shining light into storage areas. It is a very inexpensive and easy to install upgrade, but well worth it. And number 8, new tires. There is much debate on various forums about upgrading to new tires immediately upon purchasing an RV. Factory tires have certainly been given a bad rap, and some of this is not unwarranted. For my 2017 R-Pod 179, I used the 15-inch factory D-rated tires for just under 9,000 miles in 3 years without any issue. However, I was very cautious about proper inflation and also used the EEZ Tire Pressure Monitor System, or TPMS, so I could keep track of tire inflation and temps when traveling. We have a video about tire safety basics that would be worth watching if you haven't already. Recently, I did replace my R-Pod's original tires with Goodyear Endurance tires, and I'm very pleased with these new tires. On my Keystone Bullet, it came with 14-inch tires that I wasn't confident in, given it actually had a flat tire while being delivered to the dealer. I did immediately replace these factory tires with highly rated Carlisle HD Trail D-rated tires. I've done a full round trip from Michigan to Florida, as well as much local camping without any issues on the Carlisles, and like them very much. So what should you do about tires when purchasing a new trailer? First, if your dealer will give you credit for your factory tires and upgrade them for you prior to delivery, you may want to pursue this option. For an R-Pod with 15-inch tires, I would recommend the Goodyear Endurance. Second, if you already have a new trailer with 15-inch D-rated factory tires, I would probably not upgrade immediately, but I would use a TPMS when traveling and be careful to keep the tires properly inflated. However, you have to be comfortable with this decision, and if you're not, upgrade. Third, either way, I would use a TPMS with any tire regardless of brand. I see this as essential safety equipment at this point. Do you have a must-do upgrade not listed? Feel free to leave your best RV upgrade in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button. We'd love for you to join the On The Road team by subscribing to the channel. Also, clicking the bell icon near the subscribe button will keep you informed when new videos are published. If you want to dive deeper, we put more content and photos on Instagram and Twitter at John Marucci. And you can also keep up with us on Facebook at John Marucci On The Road. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. This is John Marucci, and so long for now.